Welcome to our channel Rhythm of Life. Let's see what's special for the day. Today we are going to see the recipe for carrot ice cream. So let's get started. If you like my video after watching, then subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and share it with your friends. To prepare carrot ice cream, we'll heat a kadai and add 1 teaspoon of ghee into it. Now add 1 cup, that is 250 ml of grated carrots into the ghee. I have tightly packed and I've taken 1 cup. Now saute it for 2 to 3 minutes in the ghee. Add 1 cup of milk into it. Mix it once, lower the flame, close and cook for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes now. The carrots are nicely cooked. Cooking the carrots in milk gives a good flavor to them. Allow it to cool now. Then transfer it to a mixie jar. Keep 1 teaspoon of carrot separately, which we'll be using in the final step. Grind it to a fine paste like this and keep aside. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of atta or wheat flour into it. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk into it and make a thin paste like this. For this recipe we have taken 500 ml, that is 2 cups of milk. We had used 1 cup of milk to boil the carrots. Use little milk from the remaining 1 cup to make this paste. Add the remaining milk to the same kadai. Mix these two together and put on the flame now. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the grinded carrot paste into it. Mix nicely. Add 7 to 8 tablespoons of sugar into it. You can increase or decrease depending on the sweetness you require. Mix it nicely and keep stirring continuously. The mixture has begun to thicken now. When it reaches to a thickness similar to condensed milk, switch off the flame and allow it to cool. It has cooled now. It has become even thicker than before. Take a mixie jar and add 4 tablespoons of cream. We need not use store-bought cream here. Just collect milk cream or malai from the boiled and refrigerated milk for 2 to 3 days. Then grind it in a mixie and you will get fresh cream like this. Use 4 tablespoons of cream from that and store the remaining in the fridge. And use it whenever you want. Whip it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add the cooled mixture into the mixie jar. And then add a pinch of elaichi powder. This gives a very good flavor to our ice cream. With each spin for 10 seconds, whip it for 4 to 5 times. After grinding, it will be very creamy like this. Add 1 teaspoon of carrot which we had kept initially. Add some chopped dry fruits according to your choice. I am adding some chopped badam, cashews and pistas here. And then mix it with a spoon once. Pour it into an airtight container. Close and freeze it for 8 to 10 hours. It's been 10 hours now. Keep at room temperature for 10 minutes before opening it. I don't have an ice cream scooper, that's why I'm using a ladle like this. The ice cream looks so yummy and creamy. If you want to make it creamier than this, then blend it again in a mixie, freeze it and then enjoy it. Finally garnish with some dry fruits. Our yummy carrot ice cream is ready.